And welcome back. Well, we know that one way to look younger as we get older is by taking really good care of our skin.
Yes, and now we have even more incentives to establish more regular routines. Joining us now is Dr. Deborah Manjoney from the Wisconsin Vein Center and MediSpa to chat about their new M.V.P. program and spring open house. Hey, Dr. Manjoney.
Good morning.
Great to see you.
Thank you.
So tell us about the subscription service, this new value plan.
This value plan is going to allow people to pay a monthly fee that is actually banked. So it's not a fee to us, it's a fee that they can keep and just bank their money. But that allows them to get 10% off of most services and 15% off of all products. So the services they don't get 10% off are still at a discount. It's just that it may be like $50 off every syringe of filler. There are different Botox prices, so it's a great deal.
And the monthly fee you're paying, you use towards the treatments.
You can use towards treatments as you go, or bank them and use them for a more expensive treatment that you might want to try, that you haven't had the money to do it.
It's like having your own savings account right
really
there.
is.
Yes, and what I love about this is you're always encouraging sort of maintenance on certain things. And so this is a great way to sort of set ourselves up for success as we want to look good as we
try,
age.
you know, and as I was telling my staff yesterday, I would love to know I can do one thing and look 100% better than I do right now.
Yeah.
But it's really not possible. You have to be able to use different modalities and maybe some injectables and maybe some lasers just to get to where you want to be, but it's a multimodal type thing.
Yeah, so you've got this great open house coming up, which is a fabulous opportunity for people to see what you're all about, especially if they've never visited you before.
That's right. It's to learn about our membership value plan, but it's also to see about all of our newer services that we offer, lots of new equipment in the last couple of years, and also to just talk to our employees, our staff, to learn more about what they do and the kind of treatments and success they have seen, and to just learn as much as they can about what we offer.
I've attended that last year, and it's so fun because you give away great prizes.
Yes.
When you show up, you can get like major discounts or gift certificate toward a service.
Right.
And there's refreshments, and you just mingle. It's like a mingling way with your staff. So instead of like booking a consultation, you can come right in and actually ask your questions right there.
That's right. You can ask questions, you can wander around, you can talk to the reps from a lot of the industry that are going to be there as well, so they can tell you what their biased opinion is about their equipment. But then they can ask our staff, our clinical staff, what do you like?
Yeah, that's awesome. And that open house is happening on Wednesday, May 14th. So make sure you'd like people to RSVP.
We'd like to RSVP just so we know about what time periods are coming in. There's no fee at all involved, and there's nothing that's obligating them to come. But if they want to come, then just please RSVP so we kind of have a plan of what our flow is going to be.
And how many people. Let's talk about some of the newer treatments that will be spotlighted at that open house and are part of this wonderful membership value plan. You've got some great, a hybrid now, right? We're using laser and...
Well, it's dual lasers, so two different laser wavelengths. One is going to resurface the skin, that's carbon dioxide laser, and the other laser is to actually go a little bit deeper to help tighten the skin. So with one treatment, we can combine it, we can do any kind of mixture of how much of one and how much of the other, so we can customize it to the person's needs.
Amazing.
What is the Sofwave treatment?
Sofwave is using ultrasound in parallel beams. So ultrasound is heat that we're delivering through the sound mechanisms, the sound waves, and it heats the skin and it only goes into the dermis. There's really no danger of injury to the skin or anything else. And it just really stimulates collagen buildup in the dermis itself.
Is there much downtime with that?
There's no downtime.
No downtime. Amazing.
No downtime.
What about your advanced Harmony AFT? Because we've talked about AFT for years.
Right, and so we've kept our other system, but we've also added a new Harmony system because it has a little bit better cooling tip, so people find it even more comfortable if they wish to, just have it done and be quick. But the big thing about Harmony AFT is that we think it is the best pigment modifier out there.
For rosacea.
And rosacea. Rosacea and age spots, sunspots.
Reinstitution of limited advanced chemical peels?
Yes, we're adding it on to treatments. So you can get a microneedling with a chemical peel or get a hydrofacial and add on a chemical peel. So doing these things, just again, trying to keep costs down for people, but also giving them the maximum result.
Amazing. There's some new cool sculpting protocols that you'll be talking about. You'll have other procedures before and after pictures.
Yes.
This open house is something you all must attend. Ryan and I have been in the past. It's great. Thank you, Dr. Manjoney.
Thank you
so much for being here. You can join the Wisconsin Vein Center MediSpa for their spring open house. It's coming up on Wednesday, May 14th. There will be refreshments, opportunities to win prizes. You're going to learn firsthand about their new M.V.P membership program. They're located in Pewaukee. The spa is beautiful. If you have any questions, call 262-746-9088, or for more information, visit wimedispa.com.